everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm super excited because on my last video unboxing of the lemon zest and the blue fog, one of you actually requested for me to check out the other two silicone cases from Apple. That's what we are going to do today. So for you, Ashley, thank you so much for requesting. Without further ado, here it is. This case is actually for the Alpine green, I think. I'm not really a fan of green. I'm still keeping it since it's really unique. It's kind of fun to collect this, to be a part of my collection. So we have the Sierra Blue, and you guys tell me what you think about this pair here. So I'm gonna try it here. Oh, it didn't really show the animation. Let's do it again here. Okay, there you go. So this kind of color reminds me of the military, army in particular. It's a muted green. Give you a close-up here. So that's what it looks like on our Sierra Blue. I'm always thankful that Apple finally decided to cover the bottom of the iPhone because that's really important to me. The case is worth the price now since we have the covered bottom of the iPhone. It's not a fun case, but if you like a very simple look, or if you're a fan of green, the bright green is actually the, what do you call that? Mint green, yeah? This is a color calling you, hey, I'm here, I'm right here, but don't pay attention to me. I think that's how I describe it if it's a person. I'm pretty classic, manly, or I could be a womanly. I'm simple and I'm beautiful. I love eucalyptus oils. I like it really minty. So I found in the web that eucalyptus is a totally natural shade of green that is both relaxed and tranquil. It's most associated with its calming scent as well as being a favorite snack of the koala. Oh, interesting. I've learned something today. Eucalyptus is a shade of green that is richer and more blue in tone than sage. The type of colors that you wear for your phone, I guess, it helps you create different moods. I wear different colors of cases every day. Depends on how I feel, depends if I feel really feminine. I wear the chalk pink. If I feel really vibrant and feel happy, I either wear the lemon zest. The blue fog actually makes me feel really excited about summer, and if it's really dark outside, I wear it, especially if you're not like feeling happy. I think wearing a good color, a good lively color of case will help a lot on your mood just by experience. I don't know if you guys can relate to that. For me, it actually helps. So with this color right here, the eucalyptus signifies nature and life, safety, hope, and spring. A time of year when all the plants are coming back to life with fresh growth, life after the cold winter months. That answered our question, or my question actually, because I'm really like wondering why the Apple released these colors. I went hiking at the North Country Trail last weekend and I brought this color with me, and I was taking videos of the moss with this one, and it looks really earthy. Actually, it says right here that green instantly connects us with nature and the outdoors. Nectarine is really surprising me because it's not summer yet and I don't know what Apple is thinking. There's so much orange right here. When I was hanging my other apple cases right here in the background. I was so confused what color is the nectarine, so I hope I grabbed the right one. Okay, I got the right one. I realized that I bought the sense of humor. I realized that I bought the pink pomelo during the fall and I did not unbox it with you guys, so I was confused. Here I am trying to redeem myself. But here is the nectarine colors. There's one person that commented on one of my videos about me explaining I embrace the color of the Sierra blue. She thinks that the Sierra blue is like a blue jeans that you could pair with different t-shirts, which we call here our cases, and then when we try it on, it looks really good. I really love that explanation right there. Let me try put this again here and show you the animation. I found this wallpaper. It has butterflies and flowers, different colored flowers. Our nectarine looks really good with the wallpaper because we got orange flowers right here. When are nectarines in season? Both yellow and white nectarines are in season at the same time. They are in season from about May through October, with a peak season in July and August. California provides about 98% of the nectarines in the US because of the favorable hot and dry growing climate. The question here is nectarine really a peach? Nectarines are actually a type of peach without the fuzz. Nectarines definitely have similar flavor to peaches but distinct difference. So nectarine color is primarily a color from orange color family. It is a mixture of red and orange color. So we got 3 different orange colors here. This one is a nectarine. This is the pink pomelo. And this is the electric orange. So as you can see, the electric orange is super electric. And then pink pomelo is not that as bright as the two. Look at the differences. Apple is really an orange person. Who's in the color department, guys? Color department, you love orange. We have the it is a pistachio in the house, baby. Look at the eucalyptus on the side. So from light green to dark green, and this is actually from the 12 Pro Max. It's too bad that we can't use this for our 13 Pro Max because this color is really pretty. This is one of my favorite color for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I just want to show you guys the difference, the color difference between the pistachio and the eucalyptus. I don't think we've had green before so far. I've never seen a apple case green color before aside from this and this. So if you guys have seen one or it's from way back in the day iPhone cases, comment down below and tell me the color because I'm really interested. So we finally have the complete family of the spring collection Apple silicone cases. Lemon zest. On my last video it didn't show the animation, so this is the time. Blue fog, which is my favorite of this collection. Eucalyptus. And last but not the least, the nectarine. So finally I got the 4 colors for the springtime collection and I'm super excited for the summer collection, and I'm so excited what color they are gonna release, and I'm just gonna be watching the Apple website every day starting tomorrow. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna be linking it down in the description box. You can go to their website, apple.com, and or you can click that link that I've put in the description box for you to just click and order it right away from Amazon. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!